This is the Thrustmaster TPR Expert Rudder System. It's an extremely high-end, all-metal construction pendular rudder system that can be used either on the floor or mounted into a flight cockpit. It's designed for serious flight simulator enthusiasts who want something as close to real as possible. Just looking at it here, as you can see, it means business. The finish is just exquisite. There's no plastic in sight for any of the construction or moving parts. Everything is bolted together too, so there's no glue or molded joints that can weaken over time. So these pedals will be likely the last ones you ever buy. The pedals themselves can be adjusted into 5 positions at angles between 35 and 75 degrees using the stepped adjustment on the side. Then the springs on the back, which control the resistance of the mechanism, can be interchanged and moved around to change the resistance rate. The big benefit of the pendulum system over, say, cheaper and more traditional slider mechanisms is that it stays super smooth with a predictable resistance and none of the notchiness that you might find and experience with cheaper rudders. This means that your rudder inputs can be much more precise. We also really like how the brakes are leveraged on a completely separate axis and sensor. So this means that you can access the brakes only when you want to use them, rather than balancing your feet on them all of the time. In the box, the TPR Thrustmaster includes the rudder itself, 2 metal differential brake pedals, 2 Allen wrenches, 2 flat wrenches, and a user manual. The TPR can be set up using Thrustmaster's T.A.R.G.E.T programming software, which allows users to load or create specific profiles for each game and combine the TPR's axis with those of Thrustmaster H.E.A.R.T's joysticks for complete ecosystem profiles. So if you want to take your flight sim sessions to the next level, you can get yours now at scan.co.uk.